haka sien ka beningkong ka Meghalaya Motorsports Society haringkat ka jingas nokti lang bat ka Godspeed Racing Pune kan penlong ya ka jinga kop nya thuk ka belatip kum ka MO-GRIP Supercross FMCI National Championship arja arnrio ka banlong hage khatwei trik menta ubnai hamadan kur kalang Ri Bhoi district habakren shakilat pathai kubor haga khandai trik yayong ka president ka Meghalaya Motorsports Society ka kong Phoebe Dale Nongrum kalayat hu bahaka ni kalumpung yakop nya thuk on wan ya shimbenta haduk kumbashis pa sab wengot na kaleng jila ka ri India bat sab hungot na ka jila Meghalaya ban pen iya ki sab nya thuk haka ni kalumpung jinga kom haka ni ka sngi layodan lang ru usham kothari jong ka Godspeed Racing ubalayat hu ba on sedang ya kan ka jinga kop nya thuk na ka jila Meghalaya bat hadin on saplong sashaki weipan ki jila jongkari India.
We are here to inform you all about the MRF MO-GRIP Supercross Championship 2026. The round one is happening in Shillong, from Shillong. The 2026 season for MRF Supercross will start from Shillong. Round one is happening in Shillong, and then it will follow through the calendar to other cities in India. So, Meghalaya Motorsport Society, we have our Vice President here, Ms. Easter Khakumar, and I myself, Phoebe Dale. And from Godspeed Racing, we have Mr. Shyam Kothari. And so Meghalaya Motorsport Society have come together with Godspeed Racing. Mr. Shyam Kothari is the promoter of the Supercross, MRF Supercross Championship. And we have come together to host the event here in order to give a platform to the local riders as well and to introduce Supercross in the Northeast. This is the first time, like Supercross is here, and the first time in Northeast that we are having a Supercross championship round.
We've been organizing these events, the Supercross Championship, for over 22 years. And we've had many events, almost we've had 500 odd events in different disciplines of off-road racing. When we were deciding to have the championship this year, the championship consists of 6 rounds. So we thought we have been contemplating with the idea of coming to the Northeast for a couple of years now. And finally I met Phoebe, and Phoebe said that you come to Meghalaya, especially the Indian National Supercross Championship. We have 2 groups. One is a Group A and one is a Group B. Group A is only for foreign motorcycles, which is a different category. And the category is also for the professionals, the private players, and the junior category. It's all Group A. The novice, the locals, then the Indian experts and all that is Group B. Group B is modified Indian motorcycles, which are modified only for Supercross, with definitely tires, studded tires, the safety aspect with the handlebars. The technical delegate will check whether it is race-worthy, and again, the different CCs, the categories will depend on different CCs, 260 cc, 165 cc. So these are the categories. To help the sport grow, and it is a safe sport. You know what? If you see tomorrow, the day after tomorrow, when you come to see the event, you will see that the boys are jumping very high and all that. But consider that the speeds are not much, especially in Supercross. But they are jumping high and all that. So when you take a wrong jump, you fall and all that, basically you are protected by the protective gear you're wearing, and it's mud you're falling on. So it's not dangerous at all. So I urge everybody to come participate, try it. That would be.